In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Form not require sign-in. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Form. From here, select your form. This is the Google form that I have taken as an example. As this is the editor version of this form, I do not need to sign in to see this, but in the responder version, you will need to sign in to see this form. Suppose you want to turn off Require Sign-In for this form. Turning off the Require Sign-In option in Google Forms is useful when you want to make your form more accessible to a broader audience. This setting allows anyone with the link to respond without needing to sign in with a Google account, which is especially helpful for public surveys, feedback forms, event registrations, or collecting anonymous responses. In the top menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, expand the Responses tab. In the Responses tab, go to the Require Sign-In section. In this section, turn off the Limit to One Response option. And your work is done. Now the responder will not have to sign in to see the form. Following these steps, you can make Google Form not require sign-in easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.